Good morning, YouTube. Well, here's more snow like they promised, but we really didn't get last night what they said we were going to, but maybe it's just started now and we'll end up with it anyway. They said we would have 3 or 4 inches, and it was supposed to start around midnight last night, but it didn't. But it's coming down at a fairly good clip now. Yep, coming down pretty heavy. And it acts like it's getting a little heavier each time. It doesn't seem to be real cold out here. But I'll be quiet and let you enjoy the weather. Later, guys.